Hey everyone, in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up and use Spaces in Gmail and Google Chat. If you're looking to make your team communication smoother and more organized, this guide's for you. Let's jump right in. First, open Gmail and look over at the left side of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Chat. Click on it and that'll take you into the Chat section. Once you're inside chat, you'll notice the option for new chat. This is your starting point for creating conversations or building a new space. Go ahead and click new chat. From there, you'll see the choice to create a space. Click that and a new window will open where you can set things up. Here, you'll need to give your space a name. Try to make it short and relevant, like the project name or team name. Next, it's time to bring in your teammates. Look for the option that says Add Members. Type in their email addresses carefully and double check so your invites don't bounce. Once you've added everyone, hit Add and they'll be part of your space. And that's it. Your space is now ready. From here, you and your team can share files, exchange messages, and keep all your discussions in one organized place. It's a simple but powerful way to keep everyone aligned. So that's how you set up and use Spaces in Gmail and Google Chat. Give it a try and let your teamwork flow more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.